thank the Lord for bringing us all together for this beautiful wedding for Tyrus and Caitlin.
As I watch you get married today to such a wonderful man, I can say here beyond proud of the both of you as you start your life together.
You two are the perfect fit. You two always put each other first, make each other laugh, encourage each other to be better, and love each other unconditionally.
I can't think of anyone who I would rather have for Ty.
I'm so glad that Caitlin has found her person.
To Ty and Caitlin,
We pray that they will have a long road of love and happiness.
To the new Mr. and Mrs. Anderson, I love you guys.